Hola clase, es Sonora Group. Hoy es viernes el 25 de febrero 2022. It is Friday, February 25th, and we are having an e-learning day due to the bad road conditions. So since we are not together, here is what you are going to be doing today. After watching this video, you are going to complete this Ed puzzle on los números uno a la 50. So we're going to go a little bit higher. We've been working a lot on cero to 30, 30, but now we're going to go up to 50 because remember, you need to know those decenas as well as just being able to count 0 to 30. And remember, decenas means the tens. So you are going to click on this Ed puzzle. And this is actually a new song that we have not listened to together in class. And there are 15 different questions you will answer. Just like the other Ed puzzles that we have done in the past, you are going to start the Ed puzzle and then answer the questions as you work. Remember, do utilize the rewatch feature where if you aren't sure what the answer to the question might be, you can click the rewatch button and it will go back and replay the video so that you can maybe hear what you missed. And use your notes as well. After doing that, make sure that you have completed and submitted your Par and Pesar for this week. It would be PE 221 to 225. Remember, that's due tonight by 11:59. The other thing you could be working on is your count and record assignment. Remember, if you're having problems with that, you need to send me a message so I can make a note of that in Canvas. I received a couple of messages yesterday from people that had some struggles. So that has been put into PowerSchool so that when we are back together, I can help those people and it's not going to hurt their grade in any way. So remember, for the count and record assignment, you are going to want to try to use the Canvas recorder. And to access that, you're going to hit the Start Assignment button. And then you're going to scroll down right over here to where it says Record or Upload Media. You're going to click on the Record. And then it's going to give you the option to go ahead and record that media. Remember, make sure you see this blue line moving. Also, make sure you check that top row of buttons on your keypad. That I think it's the fourth button from the left. Make sure the light is not on that. That means your microphone is turned off. So even if that button is pushed, this bar is still going to move when you speak, but it is not going to record your sound. So remember to get that to turn off. I believe it's the F4 key. You just hit the blue button or it's a blue key in the bottom row called the FN key. It's the second from the left. If you push that and the F4 button together, it'll turn that light off. So if that light is on, you can't record. So make sure you take care of that. All right. Remember, once you start recording, it'll give you a countdown. Then you want to make sure that you listen to the video before you submit it, because if you submit it without sound, I'm going to give you a 0 until you resubmit it. So you can always work on that. Once you've made your recording, you'll be able to actually submit the assignment and then make sure that it does submit. As a reminder, with this recording, you are doing 0 to 20 in Spanish, and then you're going to count by the tens in Spanish, and then you're going to read these following numbers and make sure that you are using your notes to help you. There's nothing wrong with that. The people who have already submitted this assignment, you've done a really good job. We have had some struggles with pronouncing the decenas, so you may want to listen to the song for Las Decenas before you try actually saying those. And I'll go ahead. I didn't put the songs in the assignment yet, but I'll go back and do that. All right. So once you have done that, so you've done your Ed puzzle, you've done made sure you've submitted your Par and Pesar, and you've done the count and record assignment, then you are done for Spanish class today. You can always start preparing for your test that you have on Thursday, March 3rd over Los Números, and I just linked the Quizlet set here for you to practice. If you have any questions or need help, send me a message through Canvas. Tengas un buen día, mis estudiantes. Adios.